Tramto. Abe-san.
As if you can read everything.
So I'm just seeing books. Books are interesting. The people versus democracy. Why our freedom is in danger and how to save it.
But this is in Japanese.
No, I know, but topic is in English. No? Mythical age. Talking to my daughter about Japanese history 1 from mythical age to 18th century. Nice. Looks like a lot of history books and organism. Salad. This kanji reads as the village protected by God. If you break down the kanji, it says God protected village. Whatever little I know of the kanjis, this is what you can make out from this kanji. We are going to take you to Jimbocho in Tokyo today, and incidentally it's a book fair. This is in the Kanda area of Tokyo. We did not know about this place few years ago, but when we came to know about this area associated with lots of books, we were really curious to see what it looks like in the middle of a big city like Tokyo. This is the Kanda Book Festival, the city's largest book fair. This fair normally happens in autumn, and now being start of the autumn, thought to take you guys there. I don't know whether it is going to happen this year too due to COVID, as almost all the festivals are being cancelled. I can check and write in the comment section for the update so that the book lovers can go during the fair. Visiting during the fair time is really an awesome time. We went to this place just before the pandemic hit, so we were able to explore the area freely without masks and any distances. We could stroll on the several narrow streets of this area, and we really spent the whole day enjoying and exploring this place. As soon as you get down from the station, there is a bookshop, and looks like all variety of books are available here. So let us see what do we explore here and eat. It's lunchtime here, and probably what we have seen here is that there are a lot of cafe style restaurants. So let's see which cafe do we go. I think we will explore this street now. Looks to be most decorated with street hawkers. This is very unusual than the normal places in Tokyo. This is a academic area where as soon as you come out of the station, you have books and books all around, and you have a lot of universities and a lot of technical education universities which originated here, and this is a big time academic area.
I'm liking this place.
Yeah, so let's explore this street. No, close it.
And your back.
The history of this place is very interesting. Jimbocho is named after a samurai, Nagaharu Jimbo, of the Jimbo clan. After this area was destroyed by fire in 1913, Iwanami bookstore was opened, which later became a publishing house that still exists to this day. In the later part of this video, we will take you to Iwanami Bookstore Cafe for a lovely experience. When Japan went through modernization in the 19th century, a lot of bookstores and schools started opening up in this area, making it established as a book town, and today this area is absolutely packed with almost 200 bookstores. This is where you come for antique books, English books, Japanese books, and even study books. This area is fantastic, and for us English speakers wanting some English books, this is heaven for book lovers, and you could see a lot of book lovers here. This is the hub for all the second-hand, very good condition books.
These are all bookshops.
Apart from small bookshops, there are few big and the famous ones also. Let's talk about some of our favorite bookstores. Kitazawa Bookstore. Bunken Rockside. Sanseido. Komiyama. Most of the major bookstores are on the Yasukuni Dori.
So we have something there also.
That is, no, come here.
It's all books and books. Right side bookshops.
Which you don't like at all.
I don't like books, yes, because I only like reading digital. So this is udon. We can try udon. And on the right side books, on the left side books. Everywhere books and books.
This place is all about books and cafes. Just pick a book and sit in the cafe and relax a bit before you explore other bookstores. This place is very easy to access and is very near to Shinjuku. Please like, comment and share the video so that it reaches to all the book lovers. Please also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that all the new videos that we upload reaches you.
I think this is looking nice, yeah.
Do you want soba?
Yeah, I think it looks nice.
No, I think we can go and sit there in that cafe this thing.
Need a break? Let's take you to a Japanese cafe now. This is Iwanami Book Cafe. The bookstore opened in 19th century and this cafe is awesome. It has plentiful options for eats and drinks, surrounding you with books.
This is which one?
Samba rice.
Saba rice. And this one is the lamb gravy.
Oh, the menu also is in a book format. How interesting.
I will end the video for today. Here, I just saw there are many books of history, present times, future, space, and various study material also is available. But overall, it's been nice collection of books, all variety of books. But with this kind of books, I mean, I would need to really learn Japanese and then start reading few of these books. But possibly this could be a motivation for me to look at my reading habit again. Probably this could be a starting point for me to start my reading habit again. So hope everyone enjoyed this small trip.
Options are plentiful available for both book gazing as well as cafe hopping. We loved it. Highly recommended for all the book lovers to come here. Check out all the mangas, check out all the beautiful stationery shops, check out all the English books, check out all the antique books, check out all the Japanese books and the lovely cafes too.